ओम नमः श्री अतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. My brother Mark Swami is Tulsidanji, then SPG, then Chairman Garu and other dignitaries on the dais, and my beloved friends, students. Last year also I think Gutunda Marchipara. Gutunda, very good, thank you. So, how many of you have read Swami Vivekananda's book? Very good. Do you remember any incident? Very good. So, we are all studying in our schools, different standards, 6, 7, 8 or whatever it is. What is the meaning of education? According to Swamiji, education, the meaning of education is different. It's not only getting marks. Oh, good marks I got 80%, 90% or 95%. But character is important. So, Swami says, I tell you, you have to repeat. What he says? We want that education. Bhojan Kesara? Very good. We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Very good. You have got very good voice. Clapping yourself. Okay. So what Swami says is, what is the meaning of education by which we can form character? Character ante emi anni manchi qualities. Respecting elders, matru devo bhava, pitru devo bhava, then you are all intelligent boys and girls. Good. So respecting our elders is very important. Then comes truthfulness, satya palanam, avadam tapavadu, kaya, vacha, manasa. By action, by speech and by thought, our every action should be full of truth. So, not only not telling lies, but our life should be transparent. In our mind something else, outside something else, that should not be there. So this is called character. All the good qualities. Helping others, unselfishness, serving others is very important. Swamiji's life was full of that. Once in Calcutta, there was plague epidemic. At that time, funds were not there to conduct relief work. Many people were dying because of lack of medicine. Emi tindaniki emi ledu, medicine ledu, and people were dying. So Swamiji entered with whatever little funds. When there were no sufficient funds, then he said, I will sell away the land of ashrama and I will get some money, and with that money I will conduct relief work. So strong he was to help others. But fortunately, by God's grace, money came and there was no need to sell away the land. But spirit of service is very important. We should not think, oh, I do not have any money, lot of money is necessary, lot of things and our position is necessary, then only I will help. It's not like that. Whatever little bit we can do that thing. So that spirit is is very important. Thought of helping others is very important. And when we cultivate that thought all the time, how can I be helpful to others? How can I work for my country? How can I help for my society, my brotherhood? If that thought continuously rings in our mind, day and night, then automatically our every act, every action will be directed towards that. Then, especially we will not have to do anything. That thought, carrying a thought is very important. One thought. Strength is like weakness of mind. First is formation of character, then is strength of mind. Strength of mind is very important. Manashakti, that is very important. If we get less marks, then our face will be down. If we fail, then we feel very sad. That should not be there. We should have courage, dhairyam to digest the failure. All the time we may not succeed. All the time we may not be successful. Many times we may fail. Abraham Lincoln. You know Abraham Lincoln? But he doesn't know you. Abraham Lincoln failed many times in his life. But he became President of America because of his character. So failed, but he again got the courage to stand. So that is called strength of mind. And expansion of intellect. To understand the subject, to understand the life, to understand our own work. When we study geography, mathematics or science, we study only to get good marks, to answer good answers, to write good answers in answer sheet. And once exam is over, everything is finished, 80% marks I got, that is sufficient. But afterwards in life, when we have to apply that knowledge, we are nowhere. Today many students are there, many students we come across, BTech, MTech, but one single sentence they cannot speak properly. Why it happens? Because there is no concentration. There is no understanding of the subject. There is no effort to make the practical use of that knowledge. That's why whatever we study now, geography, it may be geography, it may be science, it may be mathematics, we should try to apply in our life. That is very important. That is how scientists are made. That is how scientists, they invent so many things. James Watt. You know James Watt? Who was he? What did he do? What ఏం చేశారు? Railway engine. One day small boy, he was school going boy, that time not schools and technical colleges were not there much. He was observing that water was boiling and that lid above the vessel, it was jumping. And he thought, something went in his mind, started running CD in the mind. And this steam has so much power, then I can use this steam for moving something else. Then he tried one small experiment. He attached one wheel to the steam through pipe. That wheel started moving. Then slowly that wheel he made bigger, and through pipe he sent the steam. That wheel started moving, and that is how the modified railway came. And today railway has become so important mode of transport. How it happens? When intellect is expanded. We have to think on our own, how can I do this better way? Not only simply writing answer sheet and getting good marks, but whatever we study, we have to study it thoroughly. We have to try to understand that subject. So when these three things happen in our life, formation of character, repeat, formation of character, gatiga, formation of character, strength of mind, and expansion of intellect. So these three things when happens in our life, then we can call ourselves educated person. Qualification is not education. You will find many people, they are qualified. There are a lot of degrees. But when it comes to character, they are nowhere. So always we have to be truthful, respecting elders, studying our carefully, whatever subjects, with a full concentration. These things are very important. So today this much sufficient. I will tell you one song. You have to repeat. ఒక పాట చెప్తాను. हिंदी सॉन्ग इज हिंदी. जागो मेरे भारतवासी समय नहीं है सोने का. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇది పడుకోవడానికి సమయం లేదు. जागो मेरे भारतवासी. కొంచెం గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి. जागो मेरे भारतवासी समय नहीं है सोने का. लेकर संदेश स्वामी जी का करके कुछ दिखाने का. जय विवेकानंद जय विवेकानंद जय विवेकानंद जय विवेकानंद. हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हाथ में हाथ मिलाने का हाथ में हाथ मिलाने का. जात पात और धर्म धर्म का जात पात और धर्म धर्म का वाद विवाद मिटाने का. लेकर संदेश स्वामी जी का करके कुछ दिखाने का. जय विवेकानंद जय विवेकानंद जय विवेकानंद जय विवेकानंद. जागो मेरे भारतवासी समय नहीं है सोने का. लेकर संदेश स्वामी जी का करके कुछ दिखाने का. जय विवेकानंद 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 महाराज जी की. वेरी गुड. थैंक यू.